So the news just recently broke about a new AI video generator that a number of people are calling the next rival to Sora. But can it actually beat Sora at creating generative AI video? And which tool is going to get into the hands of the public first? We'll talk about this new tool and what it can do, as well as what they're already doing in the marketplace. So stick around till the end, and we'll also talk about where things are going in the future for these amazing tools, and maybe a couple others too. Check this out. Like you just saw, this new AI tool is from Higgsfield, which was launched by Alex Mashrabov, who was the former head of generative AI at Snap, who makes Snapchat, among other things. So he's already spent a good deal of time working on consumer generative AI projects. In an interview with TechCrunch, Alex said that their target audience is creators of all types, from regular users who want to create fun content with their friends, to social content creators looking to try a new content format, to social media marketers who want their brand to stand out. He went on to say, "Our model supports highly realistic movements and expressions. We're pioneering world models for consumers, which will allow us to build best-in-class video generation and editing with a great level of control." Given his past work with Snap, it's pretty obvious he's big on mobile. He also said, "By prioritizing iOS and Android apps instead of desktop workflows, we enable creators to create compelling social media content anytime and anywhere. Indeed, by building on mobile, we're able to prioritize ease of use and consumer-friendly features from day one." Higgsfield is using a hybrid of technologies for its text-to-video model, and they've already got an iOS app called Diffuse for their first product available to the public that can generate a clip from just a single selfie of someone. For a project like this isn't a very big team either. They've done this in 9 months with only a 16-person team and only a 32 GPU cluster, while an outfit like OpenAI uses tens of thousands of GPUs. Higgsfield has raised about $8 million so far, with Menlo Ventures coming up with the lion's share of the funding so far. Although they created a Twitter account in October of last year, they just started posting about their generative video creation on April 3rd. Here they say, "Our game-changing foundational model excels at creating personalized characters with lifelike motion, with just one selfie and all on mobile. We bring any story to life. Watch." Then they go on to talk about their mobile app. "We're also introducing Diffuse, a fun way to try a preview of our video model on mobile. Pick out a video from the content library, select your selfie, and Diffuse will generate a personalized character in that video's style. Or use Prompt Builder to create a video from scratch using text, images, or video. Diffuse offers a deep level of personalization, creative control, and fine-tuning so anyone can create exactly what they want. With safeguards, of course. It's available on the iOS App Store in select countries, and we'll roll it out to more countries in the coming weeks for both iOS and Android. We hope." They've got one of their characters dancing, and they go on to say, "Our ultimate goal is to achieve incredibly realistic, detailed, and fluid video all on a mobile device." Higgsfield's video model leverages transformer architectures. "We believe that world models are the ideal way to achieve visual and interactive realism, and by layering in diffusion models, the model will be able to generate visuals at an amazingly high quality. And we've been able to do more with less. Our world-class ML team developed a proprietary framework used to efficiently train the model with limited GPUs." Then they say, "This is just the beginning of our journey, and we're excited to share our progress with you and the world." To learn more, check out our blog post. You can also sign up for priority access to the more powerful model when it becomes available. And they link to their blog and also to the sign up for the waitlist. Then lastly, all of this is possible thanks to the support of Menlo Ventures, who led our $8 million seed funding alongside Alpha Fund, Bitcraft VC, Charge VC, Zach Coelius, Nick Davidov, K5 Tokyo Black, and more. We'd especially like to thank Amy Tong Wu, Jack Brody, Nima Kajinuri, a few other people, and many others for supporting our vision. So they go on to show a couple more videos, including the boat video from their intro and this nice desert scene with very good shadows and panning camera angles, person walking naturally, and a lizard. We'll take a quick look at a larger view of this here. Really very nice camera work. Okay, check it out. So in an update of some of their public communication just yesterday and today, at the time I was recording this, Higgsfield posted some more on Twitter. They said, "Here's a demo of our model producing natural, fluid motion with lighting effects. Prompt, waves crash onto a pair of lighthouses during a thunderstorm at sunset." And you can see here, really fluid movement and motion, really good generation, nice camera and lighting. Now, they may be cherry-picking here, but still, that is quite good. Then, early in the morning on April 9th, Alex posts on his personal account, "Excited to announce our partnership with Google Cloud," and he links to 2 web pages. And around noon, Higgsfield's official Twitter page reposts and adds, "Higgsfield, handshake, Google Cloud. We're thrilled to partner with Google to improve our model more efficiently, establish AI safety guidelines, and provide enterprise-level access to our model. Read more in the links below." And then they link to those same 2 pages, which we'll see right there. This first page is a blog post on their website titled "Expanding Our Reach with Google Cloud" by Alex Mashrabov and Yerzat Dulat, who are both co-founders and chief research officers, saying, "From Vertex AI to Google Cloud infrastructure, Google is at the forefront of developing robust and innovative solutions for generative AI companies. Higgsfield is democratizing social media video creation with AI. With just one selfie, users can create hyper-personalized characters that move naturally and look realistic. And we're delighted that people around the world are having fun with this content in Diffuse, our consumer app. Launch data shows that 50% of Diffuse users are saving or sharing their personalized videos on social media. We require reliable and efficient systems to label and process the massive amount of videos needed to train our proprietary world model. As we experimented with multiple video understanding solutions, Gemini's output resulted in the highest quality results. This confidence allowed us to feed higher quality data into our model training, which in turn produces higher quality results. Processing this data set requires an extremely reliable pipeline to traffic this huge amount of data. Through Google Cloud infrastructure, we've been able to efficiently scale our use of GPUs so that we are not wasting training cycles. Additionally, by leveraging GCP's reliable inference solutions, our model's inference costs are 13 times more cost-efficient. We also recognize a critical need for our model to consistently generate appropriate and safe videos, not just for enterprise customers, but for anyone using our app. We are actively collaborating with Google teams to establish standards in AI safety and watermarking to limit the production and distribution of malicious content. Today, we're taking it one step further by announcing that Higgsfield is now a Google Cloud partner. They go on to talk about the partnership and quotes about partnering with Google Cloud, and we'll have this link down in the description below the subscribe button if you want to look at it further. The other web page they link to is on Google's Cloud page, where you can see it's titled "Powering the Next Generation of AI Startups with Google Cloud." This is talking about Google Cloud Next, and as they talk about their conference, they talk about some of the companies who are building tooling and platforms, and they mention Assembly AI, Gretel, Higgsfield, Octo AI, and Ryder. And they go on to talk about some of these companies in detail. We'll also link to this page in the description as well. Then, near the end of the workday, around 5:30 p.m., they posted one more quick tweet. Time to liven things up. Here's a clip of our model producing buttery smooth, fast, and precise movement. Let us know what you want to see next. You can see they have someone looking like a young, sockless influencer dancing, and this looks similar to a couple of other clips they showed, but it's pretty good nonetheless. Of course, people all over the tech sphere have been talking about how good Sora is, and we all can't wait for it to be available for the public so we can start creating videos as fantastic as some of the ones we've seen so far from the creators who've already been able to get their hands on it. Another video generator that's coming up fast on the scene is Hyper AI. They've really got a lot going for themselves, and many people have said that if they can get their clip times increased quite a bit, they could actually be the next company with a product to rival Sora. Then, of course, there's the unknown factor of who could possibly be the next company that drops a product next week or next month that could produce videos just as good as anything we've seen so far. So, do you think Higgsfield or Sora or Hyper or some other AI video generator will win out? Let us know what you think down in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.